Welcome to this video on Engineering English. We will explore practical, real-world engineering topics and the language used in global industry. We'll cover everything from commissioning new projects to managing crises, focusing on the technical terminology and effective communication strategies you'll encounter in professional engineering environments worldwide. Imagine a multi-million-dollar production line has just arrived. As the lead engineer, you are responsible for bringing it to life. This process involves 4 critical phases: installation, to physically set up the equipment; calibration, to fine-tune the specifications; commissioning, to validate operation; and handover, to transfer to the operations team. In this video, we will walk through the production journey. Start at raw intake, where materials arrive. Next is processing, where it is fed into machining and shaping. Then, inspection, where it is checked for defects and specifications. Finally, we reach packaging, where the product is prepared and dispatched to clients. Factory acceptance testing, or FAT, and site acceptance testing, or SAT, are the 2 critical gates before sign-off. FAT occurs at the supplier's workshop to verify design and build quality. SAT happens on your live factory floor to verify real-world performance. Both must pass to trigger the budget release. When facing a technical error in a foreign environment, overcome language barriers by following 3 steps. Simplify your language by stripping out jargon, demonstrate the solution visually, and confirm understanding by asking the team to repeat the steps back to you. Clarity and verification are essential tools. Navigating global corporate culture is vital. In Tokyo, decisions are consensus-driven, and silence is meaningful. Stuttgart values direct, documentation-first structures. Istanbul is relationship-first, requiring trust before contracts. Cairo respects established hierarchies and often involves more flexible timelines. Adaptability to these cultural norms is key to success. When an emergency breakdown happens, you must act fast. First, triage to identify the fault zone: electrical, mechanical, or control. Second, communicate an honest, clear timeline to management. Third, resolve the issue by coordinating the repair team and testing in parallel. These actions can significantly reduce costly downtime. When critical parts are trapped at customs, immediate logistics management is required. Call the courier to negotiate expedited release. Contact your broker to expedite the necessary paperwork, and brief your manager with an honest, realistic assessment of the situation. Staying proactive across all 3 fronts is necessary to resolve the bottleneck. After a crisis, writing a post-mortem service report is crucial. This document needs to include the problem found, the root cause, the repair completed, parts replaced, and long-term recommendations. Keep the report executive-ready, concise, factual, and actionable to ensure professional project closure. Effective project management requires balancing 4 pillars: milestones, schedule, budget, and resources. When facing variables like supplier delays or over-budget contractors, you must manage these factors simultaneously to avoid cascades that threaten your immovable deadlines. The industry is shifting toward smart factories. This involves 3 key pillars: AI and predictive maintenance to fix issues before failure, digital twins to provide a virtual replica for testing, and cobots, which allow humans and robots to work together safely and efficiently. Our capstone is a 5-day shutdown challenge. Over 120 hours, you must manage teams and 150 tasks. Days 1 and 2 focus on assignments and briefings. Day 3 requires adapting to parts shortages. Day 4 involves mediating disputes. Finally, Day 5 requires delivering a successful safety report to the director.